Ah, they don't have a cone?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Yeah, so what is the street, is it? Markham Avenue? So this is here? This is actually, wow, it's amazing.
$10
Uh-huh, yeah. Yeah, let's do. So we have two. One? Yeah, really want a homemade honey. Oh, and this one. Wait, it's a little. This one, you take it.
Okay.
One and one.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, it's so nice. Like I go and sit there. So it's like, wow, how beautiful flowers here. Yeah. This one interesting. They have aroma. Typical. And this is my favorite blue one, yeah? It's this beautiful area. Nice houses around. Yeah, so build big houses and close to each other built. Yeah?
Yeah.
But so beautiful. You know, there's so many details in the houses. So it's a Sanford City, yeah?
I don't think this is Sanford.
What is it?
I don't know where this is.
No, close to Sanford.
It's like Sanford, Lake Mary.
Ah, okay.
I don't know exactly where it is.
Uh-oh. How he even get there? Wow. Uh-oh. First time like the one I shouldn't have video. Oh my goodness, it's really hard.
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh, fancy
But
car.
he's almost good now.
Oh wow, yeah.
He's got one more.
You need to go there. But... Whoa, look at how they go. Uh-oh. Maybe let him go there or not?
No.
Are you sure? He do video too, and I do video.
Well, no, he was talking to the driver.
Ah, okay.
I've been that guy sometimes.
Huh?
I've been that guy sometimes.
No, you never see like this big truck. Oh my god, look, they have a pumpkin there. Gosh, look, no. Oh my god, if I am driver, I'll probably stop at each one, you know, like a... each one. You know, he was like, where is my wife? Why is she so long? He just go to the grocery store. I stop there, I stop there, I stop there. Like, oh, pumpkin, oh, flowers. Oh, they sell eggs. Oh, look at, they sell honey. Yeah. Oh, I see the deer. I want to feed the deer. Right? Nice compound home. It's a very beautiful area here. But this is gated community. Gated. Nice. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Here have to be somewhere's golf club.
Yeah, there is a golf
This
club.
one, yeah. Nice. Wow. Robert, let's go there. and even not pay for this. Oh my god. You drive too fast. It's kind of.
I'm not driving right now.
Oh yeah, now they're very close because of the those cars, yeah. Now a little traffic from both sides. So you think they have a honeycomb but they sell, yeah? Or they just don't
They
have
said
today?
when it's available.
Ah.
So,
They say it's like you can buy the or this or
yeah, for $10 a package, but they didn't have any honeycomb.
like it's included or no, or it's just like $10.
$10 for honeycomb or $10 for honey.
Ah, okay, I understand. Yeah, maybe that. So they every Sunday or how?
Probably every Saturday. and Sunday.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, honeycomb tried. Yeah, we use a lot of honey like for dogs. Yeah, maybe that's. I will try, but it's raw honey. It's a good one. Special local. We buy in the market. This one too. Mandarin estates. What makes beautiful community? Tree landscape, yeah. And of course when it's clean. But most important, it's not even how they build. I look at all this landscaping, you know. And even not landscape, but it's like nature more, you know, like those trees, all this. And you have a beautiful forest. Bushes like a.
The naughty bears.
What do you know the birds?
Well, there's signs alongside the road back there that look like individuals had put up it was like a bear warning sign, so apparently they must have a bear in the neighborhood that's getting like in the garbage cans or something.
Oh, no, yeah, because look at how many trees they have, a lot of forests, yeah. So it's why I say what they build somewhere where already have a forest, and they not did like some stupid communities, you know, when they build, they remove all tree. No, I love it when they build and they leave it all tree, you know. So they just little remove like for everything else, they just leave it, you know. It's amazing. So you still have a lot of tree. Yeah, you have a nature, and it's good. I don't understand why I needed all them remove, but like in where we live, yeah, like they just zero did there, you know. They remove all trees. I mean, why? And they planted after something very strange, you know. Those trees, what absolutely, they're very cheap one. I mean, they will not be big one. I love it all tree, but they are not will be big never. They will never, you know, with this with Atachi cheddar, you know, they never be like this wide. They just small always will be. Robert, drive slow.
Yeah, driving slow.
And look at how cute, beautiful, yeah? Of course they have a bear here. Bear probably want a honey. And he probably don't put $10. Yeah. Yeah, actually we're laughing. Actually, Are they really eat honey or it's just only in the movie, yeah? Oh my god.
I've never actually seen.
Yeah, I've never seen, you know, but I know it too, like in the, all in the, everywhere, like in the... So when we where we come on our 1 free day, like on Sunday, in a Costco. Yeah. Oh my god, this is our outfit today. You saw my outfit? My pants. What are you doing?
Well, it's hard.
It's a video? Okay. New shampoo. What's we see when we just came? Shampoo? Have we already get shampoo?
Razors,
What's this?
candle.
Candles. Oh, this is what we needed. Let's go to. How much this one? 17? Monopoly. Oh, this is new. So this is hats. This for men or for women? Oh, Robert, buy to yourself. This is really good. Monopoly? What's this? What is it?
Oh, it's an old video game.
Robert, buy to yourself. You say it's the... And say again, it's what?
Merino wool is a type of sheep. See, like that little picture there?
Mm-hmm.
The wool is antibacterial. It never smells.
Wow. So it's good for men.
Yeah, it's very good for men.
Okay.
It's very warm and it doesn't.
Oh wow. Так it's for men or it's for both?
Well, these say men.
Men's. Okay, yeah. Oh. So I guess they know for who need to make most of. Okay. Men's. Yeah, they say men's. I think blue one good will be. This is the price.
Well, I was looking-
Robert, you disappoint people.
Well, I thought you got them.
Oh my God, you are tall but wrong information.
Yeah, apparently.
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm right about the merino wool. It's just that these don't have merino wool in them.
Так it's what hat not smell.
Hat won't smell. Doesn't need to smell.
Oh my God, so. Ай-яй-яй, Robert. So put them back.
Open them back.
Yeah. Not much left. Oh wow. Amazing nutcracker. Look at. How much is it cost? Wow. This is amazing, yeah? Beautiful. Wow. I mean, how you even picked this up? So huge. I mean, show how I am and how big those. Just keep it in hand. Size. Nutcracker. It's like a box bigger than the.
Yeah.
Yeah, and how you can carry this?
Well, the nutcracker is taller
I
than
love
you.
it. Huh?
The nutcracker.
I love it. This is very good to put like close to the front door, you know. And after going to different states celebrate Christmas. How much your reef cost? Oh, it's water spilled. You see? Yeah. Like it lights. You know, yeah? Oh, wait, look at this. Cookie house. Oh, yeah, exactly. It's why I say the most of the toys. Look at how cute is it. Oh, it's even better than what we buy, yeah? Oh, no. Like this. We buy like this one, I think, yeah? Or no, we buy with, I don't remember. Yep. Yes? What they have a new is that Christmas tree looks like. So we have now at home which one? Like this size or big, taller? I think we have a taller. This one how much? Are they?
Well, it's a set.
Okay. They have a separate. This is like steamer looks like. Yeah, there's steamer. Huh? Yeah, I don't see it too. Let's go. Before it was just on what looks like. Looks like they have a set with 45. How much they cost? How much they cost? $49.
Yeah.
Looks like.
Yeah, $50.
What is it? Green and purple. What's the difference?
Probably the pattern on the things. These are more like square on the bottom. I think these are more round.
What is the material?
It's stainless steel.
It's good one or no? It's kind of a big one. I don't like it. I want a smaller. I mean, this one very huge. Right? What do you think? Big one this, yeah? This one very big.
Or it might be in,
This more.
it might look in the.
Oh, look at how many cutting board. It's good. How much is it? 1, 2, 3.
$19.
So, is it good? We needed some, yeah? Look at these knives. Oh, maybe this better. Look. This is more stylish. This is more stylish. I think we have it because it's kind of a unique, yeah? New. Oh wow. Good. Oh, they say. No. Oh, new cups. It's like a plastic more. Maybe they don't have them anymore. Left?
Yeah.
No. Why? 300. Wow. Now all organized, yeah? You can even put in a house. This one's small, yeah? How much here? $229, yeah. An ice machine now costs $79. Okay. Wow. Oh yeah. Wow. Inside to put. Cool. What is those blanket? What I very like it. It's not this one.
No.
It's two actually very nice blankets. Yeah, it's not this one. It's different. Oh, how nice pillows. So they still have a carpet what we buy or no? I think we get this one, looks like. Yeah, this is what now on the floor. Now we can see everywhere warm carpets. It's the time of the seasons. Well, warm carpet everywhere. Can you? What he always blocking road? This is interesting. For probably like an office. This is Tiffany, not bad, yeah, Tiffany. Or maybe like this. Yeah, but don't say this. Maybe here? No. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at how much is it? Oh my god, how nice pillows. Robert, oh my god, how much is it? It's like our blanket. This is actually much nice. This is even nice print. 15? Are you sure?
Yeah.
I mean, this is blanket how we have solely 79, yeah? Or which one better? Are this one 215?
Yeah, they're all 15 in the
Oh,
back.
wait. This color nice. A pillow this?
Those are
20? This, wait, Robert, help me, please. This one nice, but material good, but I think it'll be nice to sit on like this pillow, right? I don't know. It's just similar to blanket, I think, or no? Actually, blanket we have like this.
Yeah.
It's not similar. This is maybe similar. Or maybe not. Uh-oh, bacteria. I like it this. How big is it? It's set king. So they will be with the stripes. They have a ivory and gray. Gray wall, gray carpet, blankets, like everything gray in our house. Every week they put on a different spot, or maybe even every day. It's like a wine hunt. Robert, they have an egg hunt. This is wine hunt. They leave it for me only
One.
Last one.
It might not be a joke, because I haven't seen any of it.
Yeah, still okay.
Yeah, so
Oh wow. Yeah, it's totally gone.
okay.
Find all of them. So we take it to you. Give me that. This one real tasty, yeah? Some Greek style lamb, you say?
I think so.
Wow.
Sort of flopper.
Robert, don't take this paper.
Give it to my girlfriend.
This is what is that? This one.
Very good.
This is very tasty.
How much are they? Wait, the chicken or the guacamole? The
This
chicken.
one.
Chicken is $14.49. A package of clams. Okay? Like this.
Super.
2 of them to a pack.
Trick and treat candy. Oh wow, heavy. I don't like it this.
Well, Skittles, I don't like Skittles either. But they have all different kinds. So it's all very...
What's this? Oi! Help me first. Maybe this better. I don't know. They don't have a Mars. I don't want a Mars.
Yeah, it's Walmart.
No.
Well, The Skittles, Lifesavers, and Starburst are Mars.
No, Mars, no.
There's all different ones.
This is, I don't like it. Time kombucha. This is kombucha. Now we don't have anything after kombucha. So vegan burger.
Yeah.
It's a vegan today. Do we need to go there or where?
Yeah, we're gonna get a water one.
Oh, okay.
And we'll walk the other one.
Gonna bring me back,
How is balls, yeah?
but I will go to
How's
sleep
the
when I
energy?
want to and not be wound.
Yeah, now I am actually sleepy. A little bit. I don't sleep all night, so let's see how it work
Sure,
on me.
drink a couple of these, it'll bring you back
Oh,
without winding you up.
this is actually very tasty. I
Oh
love
yeah,
it.
it's so delicious. To me, it's all about the not falling asleep when you don't want to, and being able to drink
How much
it all
it cost?
day. It's $23.69. We give $1 to the American Cancer Society for each pack, and I'll give you 2 free
They're
cans.
mixed inside, yeah?
Yep, there's 6, 6, and 6 of the 3 flavors.
Nice.
So you would get 18. You would get 3 from me. That would
At the same time? Or what? Oh, so we get someone. Oh, thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much for
Maybe you want
trying it.
one like a cold
You're gonna
one?
love it.
Maybe you want a cold
I
one
asked
for
him if he
yourself?
wanted
No, I'm fine with it.
No,
Would you rather have a cold one? I'll give
we
you
can try one a cold one, like
Did you want this flavor?
no,
or
for you. You want a cold one?
I don't want one right now.
Ah, oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're gonna love it. Make sure it's really cold. I'll bring you right back when you leave.
We're supposed to keep it in refrigerator, yeah?
Excuse me?
We have to keep it in refrigerator.
Well,
I guess I'm already ready to wake up and they give it for us free one. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Candy. This is the trick and treats, yeah. Merci.
Well, this is
Candy.
more, I think, for holidays, Christmas,
Yeah.
but I'm just seeing.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I'm just going to
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is my favorite candy before Robert. My favorite candy before I lost my teeth. Yes, I'm already drunk from go. No, serious. This is my favorite candy before I lost the teeth. This is what my favorite candy is like when you have plant. Yeah. Anyway, so this is big one.
Yeah.
Wow. I think I love it this, or it's the same.
It's the same.
What's this? It's the same or? It's just the box. Oh gosh. I'm drunk. I'm trying to pick up. Okay, let me take this one. Or the same, yeah? Okay. Merci beaucoup. You wanna take a 2 maybe? Let's take 2. Wait, I will look at what's here. What's there? Ah. Oh, maybe this one too.
He made our throw.
Robert, come here. What are you doing? Look at how many candy here. Like, wait, about maybe this would candy or it's the individual wrap. How much is it? Remember, I always remind me this one Joey candy. Robert, remember when he's a take from?
Yeah, we've gotten that before.
Oh, they open one. Oh, they're cool. Oh, okay. Yeah, they're very hard one. Oh, mirror something. Oh gosh. Like what kind of a candy soft one? Oh my god, how is it good? Yeah. Oh. Oh, they have a truffles. It's a huge box. Oh my god. It will be soft.
I don't know. I would just.
Truffle usual soft. Let's try them. Olga, help me. Cocoa powder. Why you don't bring the card? Ah, you always scratch me, damn. Ah, what's this? It's the bottles inside.
Yeah.
Inside liquor? Or it's the candy?
It's a candy with a selection of premium liqueur-filled dark chocolate bottles.
You wanna try?
No.
So cute. Look, they have a cardinal even. Wow.
Famous
I guess it'll be like a bottle. Ah, okay, I understand. It's the bottles
Chocolate
inside.
dark
This is
chocolate
hard for you, okay. This guy, can you guys? This one awesome. Oh my god, how good is it? How beautiful those Christmas. Oh, I think this one we buy before. Remember that I was individual. Ah, like this. Remember that I was kind of a, or not this one. Oh my god, how the amazing Robert. Yeah. And this one. But before, I worked there. When I worked the coach, they always present me candy on the holidays. How I miss this. Yeah. Oh, they have a coats a lot. Oh, look at how beautiful is it. Yes? Oh my god, how beautiful candy in America. Yeah, Lind. Oh, yeah, and this is like a cookie. Oh, it's nice. I love it this. Remember, I always buy this like a, it's very good one. Yeah. Oh, what's this?
There's a Kentucky bourbon cake.
It's very beautiful package. We need banana grab. Robert, we need a cupcake. I know. Yeah, of course we come here. Look at how this one looks beautiful. Italian, compact. Oh my god, I want to buy because of the boxes even. How much? $11 only?
Yeah.
I will take it. Doesn't matter how candy tastes. I boxes like it.
All right.
I want as a candy at least. I go bring please the card. This is amazing box. Go bring card please. It's heavy. And this one is something amazing. Pistachio. Cranberry pistachio. What is it? Cranberry pistachio. Pistachio cranberry. What is it? Biscuits. Oh, beautiful boxes everywhere.
Pieces of oranges and raisins.
They soft or no?
Well, she said it was.
This one nice. Kind of interesting lima. Pantone. What's this, Robert?
Same thing. Small.
Luxury. Ah, same?
Yeah, chocolate.
Like maybe better this? Oh, sorry.
Well, that one's got a lemon, pistachio, classic.
Yeah, but this is
and
like a
two
all
chocolate.
different taste. Huh? Where you see the...
Oh, it says here, chocolate, lemon, pistachio, classic, chocolate.
No, it's a different something.
It's the same.
No, it's not.
Pantheon.
Like this is all Pantheon.
Yeah, so it's a cake.
Like maybe you wanna try this one or no?
I don't know, I was thinking, let's try this one.
Tiffany, no move, Tiff.
Come here.
They are, but
Huh. So beautiful. It's a pasta. Wow. Really, Robert? Really cute pasta. What's here? Nah. Hand soap? Wow. Yeah. Beautiful bottles here. Oh my god. Interesting, they are open, so it's like the same like in the rose. We buy in the rose like a bottles pumpkin, it's not possible. How beautiful they are. Nutcracker. Orange hand soap. Berry hand soap. Vanilla hand soap. And balsam fir hand soap. Wow. Do you want it or no?
If you like them.
I don't know. Yeah. I mean, we never usually use, but we probably after can keep it the boxes and put another soap inside. Help me, please. Man, I'm with one hand try to put. What gosh? What?
Heavy.
Yeah, exactly. It's why I say, please help me. Wow. Because one I carry camera and another. Yeah, sometimes they have Fortis, but looks like not today. Oh, they have a Caton. I think we still have a Caton. Yeah, yeah. This one, no, I like it. I like it from Target. Yeah, those brand, because this one little lose the Caton. From Target, no. They have a brand like a pink purple. Yeah, I don't know what is the brand, but they're a very good one. What's this?
Body wash and lotion.
Okay. You wanted to go on Rash? So this is the $18, yeah? I mean, if it's this box and plus the protector, so probably something like this.
Yeah.
Probably bigger than my purse will be.